Hello, my name is Lena Archbold and I run a company called Lena Archbold Textile Art and Design. And I would like to introduce you my workshop where we create Nuno felted scarf. So this workshop is suitable for complete beginners or anyone who would like to learn Nuno felting skills. So what to expect from this workshop? We're going to use different materials such as Margilan silk. I use this silk, which is absolutely brilliant for complete beginners because it's so easy to felt with merino wool. I give different choice of merino wool to my students. They can use either merino wool or a blend of merino wool with other fibers. Okay. To be honest, felt can be very boring. Yes, you look, it's vibrant colors without introduction of other fiber. And if you look on my table, I have only 7 colors here, but I give choice of around 20 colors of viscose to my students, and we can use other fiber like mulberry silk, tussa silk, bamboo, you name it. My favorite fiber is viscose, and it's not synthetic fiber. Yes, it's man-made fiber, but it's made using byproduct of wood. Okay. So what are we going to create? We're going to create scarf, something like this, and a choice of your colors. What I'm going to teach you, a layout using merino wool and other fibers. I'm going to teach you how to create beautiful lace, just like that. And the scarf can be worn on both sides. If you want something more muted, you can wear on this side, or you can combine like this, yeah. Or you can wear something like this. And because we have lace, we can put scarf, ends of scarf, through these holes to hold in place. Something like that. Choice is yours, how you're going to wear. And during the workshop, yes, I teach basics of design, but it doesn't stop you to experiment. So if you want to find out more about this workshop and other workshops, please visit my website www.lenaarchbold.co.uk, and you can find pictures of work of my students on the page where I said workshops, and you drill in and you will find students' work on my page. So I really hope to see you during any of my workshops. And if you have any questions, please get in touch. Just press the button contact on my website, send me email, or just give me a call. Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon. Bye.